Students, in this video, I will tell you about the literary devices which are used in this poem. So first is rhyme scheme. What is the rhyming scheme of this poem? Look at first stanza. Away, away in the northland, A. Where the hours of the days are few, it's B. And the nights are so long in winter, C. That they cannot sleep them through. Through few means both are matching. You can say B. A, B, C, B. Now second one is alliteration. What is alliteration? Alliteration is the repetition of a consonant sound in two or more close words. So, where alliteration is used? Look at stanza 1. That they. Fourth line, that they, th sound is repeating. Means consonant sound is repeating. In stanza 2, they, the. They, the, th sound is repeating. Now in third line, look like. L sound is repeating. Fourth line, funny, furry. F sound is repeating. Look at stanza third. First line, they, them. Th sound is repeating. And third line, yet, you. Y sound is repeating. And in the same line, learn, lesson. L sound is repeating. Now look at stanza fifth. Stanza fifth, woman was. Woman was, W sound is repeating. And in the next line, them, the hearth. Them, the hearth, th sound is repeating. Now in the sixth stanza, faint fasting, F sound is repeating. In stanza 8th. In stanza 8th, still smaller. Still smaller. In the second line, 8th stanza, still smaller, S sound is repeating. In 9th stanza, took tiny. Took tiny, first line, T sound is repeating. In the 10th stanza, seem small. Seem small, S sound is repeating. In 13th stanza, build birds. B sound is repeating. By boring, boring, B sound is repeating. Next, repetition is used in this poem. Repetition, what is repetition? Repetition means any word or sentence is repeated to lay emphasis on it. In stanza 1, you can see away, away. This word is repeated to lay emphasis, away, away. In stanza 9, rolled and rolled. Rolled and rolled. Rolled word is repeated. In stanza 13, boring, boring, boring. Boring and boring and boring means both the boring word is repeated in last stanza. In 16th stanza, in last stanza, boring word, here it is also repeated. Now the last one, simile is used. What is simile? Comparison using as or like. Means when you compare the two indirect things using as or like. In stanza 2. In stanza second, you can say the children look like bears' cubs. In third line, the children look like bears' cubs means children compared to bears' cubs. In stanza 9, baked it thin as a wafer. Baked it thin as a wafer. Here cake is compared to a wafer. In stanza 15, second last, clothes were burned as a coal. Clothes were burned as a coal means the color of the burned clothes is compared to that of a coal. Means burned clothes को comparison किया गया है किसके साथ? कोयले के साथ, coal के साथ.